So to make this part, as usual, I'm going to use revolve. Sketch it, then revolve it as per my custom. Okay, so this is basically just a shaft with some steps, of course, and some threading, and that's basically it. No keyways, nothing else that's I would say special about it. So what we're going to do is this: we're going to draw 1/2 of the shaft's cross section and then revolve it to create the rest of the part. Okay, so the diameter of the shaft itself is 6, and the steps 10 have a diameter of 10. So meaning we're going to divide every distance that is horizontal by 2. So from 6 we're going to work with 3, and from 10 we'll work with 5. Okay, so the total length of the shaft is 64. Let me just pull up a calculator. So that's 64 plus 4 plus 61 plus 6 plus 18. That's 153. You could also just input these particular calculations in the Solid Edge application, and it's going to do it for you. So when inputting the length, just type in 64 plus 4 plus blah blah blah. Okay, so 153. Alright, let's go to Solid Edge. Are we recording? Yes, we are. So Control N to start a new part. So 153. And let's use this plane, and it'll be along the Z there. So that's 153. Okay, then that's going to be 3. Let me just face the plane. So over there, so that's 3. Yeah. 64, then 4. Okay, so this is 64 further along, 64. Then we have the step, which is a diameter of 10. So divided by 2, we're going to work with 5. However, we already have a 3, so we use 2. So that's 2 there, and that's 4. Then we go back there, and the next length is 61. So 61. Okay, another step, that's 6. Okay, so 2, 6 there, and now we close it with 18. Yeah, alright, so that's our shaft, and we are done. All that's left is revolve, so we use revolve. Click on faces, so click on this face, position the handle to a cylinder edge, click the handle ABC, so this is basically where I want it to be, along this. Then right click and just use an angle, yeah, so 360. That's our shaft. What do we have? So the first threading is the entire 64 length, and the second one is only for 8. So we go to thread underhole. So we want to thread this, extend type, cylinder extend, like that. Then the second one is just 8, so that type in 8 and we are done. Ctrl S to save it. Shaft 1. Okay, open isometric draft, rather drawing of a isometric model. So we have it here. Okay, there, that's good enough. Smart dimension, change the font size to 4, so the total length, and there, so I'm just left clicking, is 153. We've got 64 here, got 61 here, we've got that should be 18. Let me have it this way, yeah, and this should be 8. Nice. Okay, what else? This should be 4. Then the diameters, I think we can make them here. That's 10. And the smaller diameter there is 6. Looks rather scruffy, so let me just move it up there. That's better. Okay, you can position it in a better way. You can lay it horizontally, but I think I'll just settle with that. Yeah, just noticed that my video recording had stopped. So now you go to View Wizard and okay, we want the isometric view, so ISO, then change shading options, use shaded with edges, and there's our shaft. Ctrl S to save it as a draft, then Ctrl S. Okay, we'll just go to File, Save As, and save it as a PDF. Save. Okay, now I want you to go back. Let me start a new video. So thank you for following this one.